everybody, what is up? I'm Scott, Edge of 3D, and got back from Midwest Rep Rap Festival in Goshen, Indiana a couple weeks ago, and I got a lot of footage on my drone and with my Osmo Pocket Cam. I was going to try to put together some, never mind. I just put everything on, dumped everything onto one video. It lasts about 7 minutes. The first almost 3 minutes are just my Osmo set up at my booth. Just left it on record for a couple hours, and you'll see, this was on Friday morning. You'll see people notice the free spools of filament at my booth and how quickly they ravaged that table once they realized that it was all free. But and then Friday, Saturday, I don't think I flew on Sunday, but Friday and Saturday I flew the drone through there several times once the venue was open and full of people. And then Saturday night there's a whole lot of drone footage where everybody's shooting at the drone with Nerf guns. It's kind of all jittery and jerking around because, well, quite frankly, I was trying to avoid the Nerf darts with the drone and give them a moving target. So I just threw it all in, time-lapsed it down, squeezed it down to somewhere around 7 minutes. It's just MRRF 2025. That's all it is. Not focusing on any one thing in particular, just flying around there with the drone. Osmo video from my booth Friday morning on setup, and it's just condensed down. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Stick around, watch it. Here it is.